How to turn on ask before allowing sites to play protected content on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on ask before all the sites played content on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on site settings. Scroll down again and you're gonna find protected content and click on the second option, which is ask before. And now all the sites, they're gonna ask before allowing to play protected content, and this is it. So this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.